Hey, this is Avi, and I'm doing a short video on how to upload a document to the Bituach Leumi website, which is the national social security website of Israel. First, you're going to have to log into btl.gov.il. You need to make an account. I'm not going to do that in this video. After you make an account, you go into Shirut Ishi, which is your personal service, and then Halat Mismachim, which is upload a document. I'm going to show you for a student certificate today. So we're going to Noseh, which means topic, and then Bituach Vigviya, which is securities and collecting money, and category, which is category, and let's pick Limudim, which is studying, and then Ishur Limudim means a studying certificate. I'm going to go for Snif, which is a branch in Jerusalem, but you could pick any branch. And then I'm going to upload a document. So I'm going to put my studying certificate in this spot. You let it finish, and then you click Shlach Mesmach, which means upload document. Now it's uploaded, and it's for them to see. Right now, as I already updated this, I'm just going to click Cancel, which is delete. If you want to leave it, then don't touch it, and they will send you an email, and they will get back to you within a few days. And that is it for today's tutorial.